Yeah, so we came from the massage therapy because Terence, no, I'll do a video because Terence just woke up this morning and he got a bad hips and having a hard time to walk. So I told him we're gonna came here, you know, because to do the massage. And according to the lady, he got dislocated hips, not dislocate, something like it didn't align. So here we are, and this is another repair shop here in Tahitafe.